and today in my life we have a Tryon beauty box right here. Before we get started, I just wanted to say welcome to my channel. I hope you'll stick around for a long time or forever and see what we got going on around here. Usually I do an unboxing a week, some kind of vlog, and usually some food involved, like some cooking. All right, as you can see, I don't really have any eyes on today or any lips because in the Tryon beauty box, you usually get something for every part of your face. Your lips, your eyes. Sometimes you'll get a tool. You know, I think last month we got, or not last month, last time we got some crown brushes. They're not really my favorite, but I have been using them. And I think, yeah, that's everything about this particular box. If you want to try beauty for yourself, then I'll put the link in the description below and it'll save you 10% on your first box. Alright, let's get started. I have slit the tape, or actually I peeled it off because I'm not that handy with a knife, but this is what it looks like when you open it up. I think that this month I did notice in an email that you were able to customize your eyeshadow palette, but I did not check that email in time, so I didn't get to do mine. And also it said that we would be getting a card now, or instead of getting a card telling us what everything is, that we would be getting an email and it would say, but I looked all through my email and I did not get that printout or whatever, the email that they were going to send saying what everything costs. So I have no idea what anything is worth in this box. Okay, so the first thing is by Cargo Cosmetics. I'm just going on a wing and a prayer here because I don't know what this is. I've never heard of it. Powder blush. It's a cute little box with the lighthouse and the beach scene and all that. So let's open it up and see. Oh wow, look. Looky here. It's in this little cute tin that is so adorable. Laguna is the color of it. And yeah, so we open it up kind of like one of those little tin candles, except it's blush. I do have some blush on, but we'll do a little tappy in here and see. It's like a coral color, and I don't wear a lot of coral blushes, but I do love blush and I love getting a new one. Now, Tryon Beauty Box for me is a little bit, wipe some of that off. I feel like I'm like, woo. Tryon Beauty Box is hit or miss for me. Some of them I really love and some of them I don't. There's usually something in the box that I really enjoy. So we'll see. All right. And if I had a printout or my email, I would be able to tell you what this was worth. So I have no idea. I think that the whole box is supposed to be a value of around $130. All right, the next thing I'm going to pick up is a CasCosmetics.com Luxy lip treatment. So it's in this handy dandy box here. Let's see if I can get it out without killing my nails. That's what it looks like. Wow, that is really small. Andromeda, maybe? I don't know, because it's really little. The print, you won't be able to tell, but alright, so I can see that it is got some glitter in there. I hope you can see that. I am not a huge fan of glitter lip glosses, but I'm gonna open it up and maybe I'm gonna open it up and see how I like it. All right, so I gotta kind of stand up out of my chair here. As long as it's not grainy, I'll like it. You like the color? I think it's a very nice fall color, and I don't feel any of that glitter in there, but I will tell you one thing. This thing smells like candy, like sweet tarts maybe. It smells really good. So go out and pick you up some C Cosmetics, whatever it's called, if you want your lips to smell like candy. Okay, so there's that. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Bella Pierre. We seem to be getting a lot of Bella Pierre items lately in subscription boxes, I think. I know in my very first Try Beauty box about, I don't know how long ago I got it, since it's bi-monthly, but anyways, it was, we got like a whole lip palette that was by Bella Pierre, and I do use it some, but see what the mister's like. Ooh, that sprays. Wow, that will soak your face. The only thing, I wish I had a beauty blender in here. I know it's not what that's for, but I gotta kind of get something out. That really sprays. So if you like a really good spraying mist, go and pick up the Bella Pierre, because I feel like my face just got soaked and then I didn't touch anything up here. All right, next up in here is by The Balm. I love The Balm products, and it says priming is everything, neutral eyeshadow primer. So that's what the outer box looks like. And then you get out. The Balm products always have like a sleeve on them. And then we have a primer. And it tells you right there how to use the primer. So why not? I did previously put on some primer for my eyes because I didn't know I was going to get this. But sometimes I think when you have an eye primer, they're hit or miss because they stay like tacky, and then when you try to run your brush across your eye, it kind of sticks to it, if that makes sense. And I don't like that. All right, the very last thing in here is the eyeshadow palette. This is the thing that I was going to be able to customize if I had read my email on time, which I did not. But it's by Ruby May. I don't have any palettes by Ruby May, and it's #mood. So let's take it out of the sleeve here. And those are the colors. All the colors have hashtag names: #drama, #chaos, #OMW. Is that on my word? I don't know. Somebody in the comments tell me what that means, because I don't know what that means. #KillingIt, #fire, #extra, #cosmic, and #queen. So let's swatch them and we'll see. I don't know really how much this is worth. I wish I knew what all this stuff is worth. If I go back by my email and just happen to run across it, which I don't think it's in there, or I can email them and ask them, I'll put it somewhere on the screen or in the description. All right, so we're gonna go from here across for these first swatches. And that didn't work. Hang on a second. I just swatched two of them. All right, I had to pause you a minute because I put my finger in the same one and oh crap. And dug my hand through a blue one. So I'm not off to a very good start. All right, as you can see, that's where I dug my finger and then I stuck the purple and the blue. All right, let's try this again. I am not a professional, ladies and gentlemen, at all. I'll try to swatch where I wasn't in that purple. So that's what the colors look like. They are very pretty. I think they're prettier on my finger than I felt like they were in the, ooh. 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 So there's the swatches. I like to kind of run my brush over them just a little bit. So there's the first swatches. That's drama, chaos, OMW, whatever that means, and hashtag killing it. And then let me wipe my hand off with this wipe. And then on my pants, I got lower in the seat. I usually sit kind of on my knees because I'm short. All right, so we're gonna do Fire, Extra, Cosmic, and Queen next. So one, I do about 2 full swirls, you know, around. All right, so we'll do this one. Ooh. 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 Whoa. Those are, I mean, I'm not the best swatcher when it comes on my arm, and usually I do this arm, but my wrist is messed up. The only one that I feel like I have to go in maybe again for you to see it is that golden color. But those are really pretty. So I am going to wash these off my arm because I'm afraid Waylon will wake up and then I'll have eyeshadow all over my arm and get it all over him. But let's see if I can create a little look real quick. Nothing too schmancy because we're already at like 12 minutes and 30 seconds in. All right, so I've put that primer on. That was the chair, not me, I promise. Scoot my little mirror down so I can see. And let's just start with Chaos. That's kind of my color. Actually, it is my color, so I'm not going to. Let's do that one. So that's the purple cosmic color, and I'm just gonna, oop, I hear a baby. See how quick I can do a little look for you guys. Using this Ruby May. So this is the cosmic, if I didn't say. I usually would do one eye and then go do the other one, but because I hear him stirring, I'm gonna just try to slap some color on my eyes just really quick so we can see how they perform. I love this brush. It's one of my favorites. It's a Luxie 209. All right, then I'm going to, what else is out of my comfort zone? How about, I've got some green on, so let's try this one. The hashtag killing it. Put that on my lid here. Like I said, I would do a little bit better normally, but I mean, it's doing really good with the brush. A lot of times with blues and like greenish colors, I feel like sometimes you have to use your finger to get that color on there, but this is performing really nicely. All right. Wipe that off a little. I really want to come up here with, find another brush. I never use these for what they're for. Oh my gosh, I can hear him. I really want to come up here with this chaos color right here and get some more pink up in here. I love kind of how that blue though, or the bluish green, is coming through the pink. I did not have much hopes for this palette just because there is fallout. Just because I guess I'd never heard of it, but I'm kind of digging it. What do y'all think? As a, you know, really quick something on my eyes. Just blend it out a little. I'll be right back. Okay, so Waylon did wake up. He has on his little Elmo outfit. Hopefully you can see what I did. Of course, I didn't really get to finish, but I'm not gonna start over. So just chalk it up to getting a little peek at this little guy. And of course, when you've got little babies around, nothing's predictable. So anyways, this Tryon Beauty box, my final thoughts on it, even though I didn't really get to finish and I look like I would want to, my favorite thing in there is this. And also, I mean, I really like everything except I'm not a big fan of this just because I like more of like a gentle mist, and that, like, I felt like hosed my face. But and I think the lip gloss, whatever, it's not really a stain, although it's got a little bit of color, is okay as well. So yeah, I like everything in there, you know. Favorite being this. I really like the primer, the eye primer, and my next choice would be the blush, and then the lip gloss, and then this. So from what I understand, it's $130 or $133 value. So anyways, I hope everybody enjoyed this crazy video. That's the way it goes when I film on Mondays, and he's all worth it. So he had shots today, and he's probably gonna be a little crankier and want to be held a little more today. So I hope everybody has a lovely day. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe, like, and share button, and I'll leave a link in the description below and let you get a 10% off referral code. Okay? See y'all later. Bye.